Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna recommend some of the best powder highlighters that I use as a professional makeup artist on my clients as well as my even bridal makeups. So these highlighters you can also use for your daily makeup and your party makeups as you use them. And the first one I'm gonna start with is this sugar highlighter, and this is in the shade 04 Royal Rose. Now this particular highlighter is very well loved here. As you can see, it has already hit the pan, and I just love this highlighter because this is not chunky at all. This is going to give your face that dewy look that you always look for. It's not powdery at all. It's not going to show up while you photograph yourself either in flash or without flash. So this particular highlighter has very fine particles. I'm going to show a little swatch at the back of my hand here, and you can see this gives off a really good sheen and doesn't show chunky at all. This, if you can see here a little bit. Yeah. And the next highlighter I want to show you is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Diamond Bomb. Again, I am already hitting the pan of this highlighter. Now this highlighter gives off that kind of diamondy vibe. Just look at this. This is beautiful, and you can blend it off really nicely. This can also be used as an eyeshadow topper on the apples of your cheeks, inner corner of your eyes, on your nose. This particular highlighter is very versatile, and you can again use this both as your eyeshadow and as your highlighter. Next highlighter is from Becca Cosmetics. So this highlighter has sadly broken, but still this shade is really beautiful. This is a pop of champagne, and its name is also C Pop, the shade name. I will show you a little swatch here. Right, this highlighter gives off a little bit golden plus silver vibe. So this particular highlighter would go with your outfits that are not totally gold or not totally silver. Comes off in between that cream and kind of silver shades. So this highlighter would go off really well with those outfits. Next comes Dior. This highlighter every makeup artist in the world, I can guarantee you, has in their vanity. This is such a versatile highlighter, can also be used in your inner corners, again as an eyeshadow topper and as your highlighter on your cheeks. Now this is in shade 001 Universal. This particular highlighter has 4 shades, one in silver, one in golden, one pink, and another bronzer. This particular copper shade can also be used as a bronzing powder and as an eyeshadow topper again. So this is your Dior highlighter. Now this particular highlighter retails for around 5500, but if you divide, you are getting 4 products worth, and this, if you divide it by 4, then this comes in really good range, and this works like a little kind of swatch, goes a long way. You don't need to kind of reapply it a lot. So these highlighters were my recommendations for today. Some honorable mentions I want to give. This highlighting palette from Makeup Revolution is also really nice. It has gold shades, peach shades, and this is again very well loved here. And you also get 2 bronzing as well as finishing powders here. If you can see this, the shades. This particular highlighter retails for around 1350 and is a very good value for money if you want a palette that has everything in it. Next, again, honorable mention from Sugar Cosmetics. This is their Contour de Force highlighter palette. This has 3 of the shades of highlighter. One, the Royal Rose that I showed you in the beginning, and another 2, one champagne and another is this really deep gold. So these shades can be used on deeper skin tones as well as fairer, but deeper skin tones generally require more golden hues, so this particular palette would be perfect for that. So these were my highlighters from today. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.